everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sampriti and I know it has been a long time since I last dropped a fashion video. Today's video is inspired by the movie AXONE, which has been streaming on Netflix. So that movie is based on Northeast India and the racism that face. Well, that part has been taken care of in the movie. What I really want to show you all is the fashion that the ladies have adorned in the movie. Oh my god, such beautiful tribal outfits they have worn. And surprisingly, you know, I had one of those outfits, actually two of those wrappers, the handlooms of Northeast. But I never really knew how I can wear it, where I can wear it. But after the movie, I've been like, oh my god, I have to get those out of the wardrobe and try them out. So in this video, I will show you two looks. Okay, so I have these two wrappers with me. Actually, it has been years since I have been having this. So this is one set. It comes with a piece like this, which is more like dupatta and the lehenga. You know how we wrap the dupatta when we wear lehenga. And this is the bottom part of the wrapper. Basically, this is the main wrapper. And another piece I have is this, the black one. This is so gorgeous. So this is from Arunachal. I know that this is one of the tribes in Arunachal which weaves these beautiful handloom. But I am not so sure about this one. I think it is missing tribe. But if you guys know, then do let me know in the comment section. Also, do let me know which one looks the best on me and where I can wear them, because I think that in the next event that I'm going to attend, let it be a wedding or any party, I am definitely going to wear these ones. They are gorgeous. So yeah, let's begin this video. Wear your wrapper with any of the matching top that you have, which flatters the wrapper, and wrap it around as shown. And in the end, you can secure it with a safety pin. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you like these looks that I've created, because I love them. I enjoyed wearing those outfits. So if you come across these outfits, do buy them, wear them, go to parties, let people see how adorable handcrafts and handlooms are there in Northeast. It's so graceful and beautiful. So yeah, on this note, let's end this video. I will see you soon with another fashion video. So until then, stay tuned. Bye bye. This is Sampriti signing off.